Happy birthday to me. Wish me a great happy birthday down in the comments. Only if you really mean it though. If you don't mean it, don't say nothing at all. You can give this video a thumbs up. Happy birthday to me. I am super happy, super blessed. I feel super duper excited just to be alive, to live another year. So these are my results, but let me show you what happened.
Perfect.
Hold on. I can't talk with food in my mouth. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Listen, this is a short impromptu video. Welcome back to my channel. We potentially might have some heat damage. Not because of my stylist, because of me though. So my hair was like this. Okay, this was today, earlier today. I got my hair done. Super beautiful, super sleek, I love it. And then I put on my bonnet because I don't have a shower cap. I know. But anyways, I put on my bonnet. I didn't pay attention. My ends got wet. And this is what my ends look like. Puffy, frizzy, a hot mess. And I said, you know what? We have to fix this today. So I used some heat protectant spray from African Pride. And I used my old school blower in warm and high temperature. And I started just blow drying my hair. So I'm gonna let it play so you can catch my vibes, and then we'll get into this video.
Jerome's in the house. Watch your mouth.
Jerome's in the house. Watch your mouth.
It's my birthday. 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 Hey!
We gon' start at 8, you better not be late. And we gon' celebrate, I'll get the first place. And we gon' win this place, in your favorite place. It's your birthday, it's your birthday.
Oh, thank you. Some goat bread. Goat bread. I was using my old school blow dryer on warm temperature, high. I was drying my hair, but before I put that warm temp on my hair, I used the Black Castor Miracle African Pride brand anti-humidity heat protectant spray. Don't mind my fan bam. So I added that to my hair a little bit, and then I put warm temp on my hair, and then to, try to fix it, I used my Chi Air flat iron, and I used it in temp 360. It wasn't hot at all, which is why you see me passing it 2 or 3 times. And then hopefully it'll set, and I'm sleeping with some flexi rods in my hair. I don't mind the flexi rods because the curls had fell. So I'm seeing if I can, get some curl action there. But let me tell you guys something. To be 100% honest, while I was putting the blower to my hair and then putting the flat iron, it just reminds me of all the reasons why I don't apply heat and why I haven't applied heat in 5 years. When I wasn't natural, I used to put heat on my hair every single day and then have the smell of burn. And it's just like, you know what? No, as a natural, I can just do a wash and go, do some twists, and I'm good to go. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to deal with my hair. I don't got to do it every single day. With a wash and go, if I want to refresh, I spritz some water and I'm good. Literally, it's that simple sometimes. So I just wanted to show you guys, a little hair update real quick, a little impromptu video. So we shall see whenever I wash my hair what my hair looks like. And you know what? If I do have heat damage, I'm okay with it. Why? Because I was able to reach the goal that I had, which was tailbone length hair. I honestly wanted to chop it all off, but I said, you know what? We're not going to cut it all off. So if I do have heat damage, I don't mind doing snip, 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 snip. It will grow back. So anyways, I will keep you guys updated. Let me know if you've dealt with this before in any way, shape, or form. Leave me a comment down below, and literally, we shall see. So the next morning, while checking out my hair, I found my first gray hair, and I'm so excited. Listen, this means so much to me. Why? Because I grew up in a time where no one embraced their gray hair, and a lot of people in my family still dye it. So it means a lot for me, you know. One, I always embrace my hair in whatever stage it's in, but to embark on this journey just makes me super excited. So let me know if you have gray hair or if you embrace it at all. Oh, hey, so the time has finally arrived for me to remove these flexi rods and just see how my curls look. I have been taking off my satin bonnet on and off, which is why you see these frizzies. But we're about to take these rods out and just see what they look like. I really hope they come out good. I took the front one off in the morning, and ooh, I was super happy with how it came out. Let's just do this nice and quick. I'm trying to take some photos before the sun officially goes away, and then I'm gonna have to chase the sun, and I really don't want to chase the sun. But then again, I was editing a YouTube video and I said, ooh, I gotta finish. So how I feel about straight hair definitely still remains the same. You know, whenever your hair just doesn't come out right, you know, having to straighten it, or if it gets wet for whatever reason, you'd have to straighten it. And I don't like that. I'd rather just be all natural and wet it and then just style it. So far these little rods came out perfect. I wasn't optimistic. I wasn't sure how this hairstyle was going to come out. But so far so good. We still have a few rods left to really see if the style lasted. Now, mind you, I've had these rods on for a little over 12 hours. I did not want to take them out before that time because I really wanted my hair to set. Now, I didn't add no gel or anything to my ends, which is what made me a little more concerned, because they were wet, and I had to not only apply more heat protecting, but also apply the blower and then flat iron it. So I was like, oh no, hold up. Okay, let's take this out. Oh my God, so far so good. This is the last one. Will it come out good? Will it not? I don't know. All right, here we go. So we're just gonna unravel. This is definitely 2-in-1. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair a little bit. Ooh, uh-oh. Or maybe not. I'm not trying to cause no frizz. Ooh. Okay, so we're not going to run our fingers through it. Okay, we might just do that. Okay. You know. Okay. Tell me if it looks good, because I'm not gonna know. You're gonna see it first. So let me know. Oh, I have a rod in. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Let me just, So, I mean, I really love the way my hair looks. I really want to mess with it and touch it, but at the same time, I have to be completely honest, I'm a little worried, because just like I stretched out this one and it looks a little, I'm not going to say it looks frizzy. It just feels like if I mess with it too much, it's going to frizz up. With these results, I'm super happy. I feel cute, as I should on my birthday. I don't have any makeup on. The only makeup I do have on is this red lip. I look a little pale in this lighting. I really need a tan, but I didn't get a tan because of the coronavirus and I was pregnant, you know. Anyways, if you like the way my hair came out, if you saw this video in its entirety and you would have done something different, let me know. If not, let me know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you never miss a video. Peace, love, positive vibes. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. The links are down in the description, okay? Make sure you hit the bell. If you don't hit the bell, you will not be notified. Again, peace, love, positive vibes. I'm going to enjoy this hair and take some photos. So if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, you will see the photos. Make sure that you do though, okay? Let's connect and let's just vibe out.